can live up to 20 to 25 years. So this is Ivy. Ivy is the oldest iguana here. He is around 15 years old. So can you see the spikes? So these are pseudo spikes, which means spikes. So their main predators are birds. So whenever they see in the
some species are there, they live up to 100 to 200 years. If you want to come near to you, you can give them gentle pet. And these terrapins are there for free adoption from our side.
No. To touch.
Yes.
No.
Yes, they can feel our touch.
want
Because
to
the part of the
baby
body, they've got
beach.
backbone here, nerve endings all over the body, they can feel everything. If you do like this, they feel ticklish. You have to tell, how many teeth do they have?
how many teeth? Huh?
How many teeth they have?
Okay, this setup is called parrotorium. You all know about it, right? So like this is called parrotorium, which contains both aquatic and natural plants. So all the plants are live plants. And the reason why they are called artificials, I'll show you. So these are complete insectivorous and these are mealworms. Insectivorous. So I'll show you. Watch that. The adult wild is swimming. So they used to live in a brackish water, a combination of river and salt water. In that place, the insects are above the water level. So whenever they want to get the prey, they just hit the water. And also you can observe they have 90% and they have very good eyesight. They have something like the prey. Now you can speak water about 5 to 6 feet. And in native they can jump, but here they can't. They know you. They never they might like it. So do you want to see one more time?
Yes.
They have a tube-like structure in their mouth part. Can I leave it? So here we have two types of fishes. One is banded, the other one is clouded. Can you guess which one is banded and which one is clouded? So those are hairs. So the difference between rabbit and hare is hare have a longer ears and they have a wider body and they can run very fast compared to rabbit. So these are European rabbits. So if you have a rabbit in your home, what will you feed them? Carrots. So you are watching History Watching Martins, right? So
umbrella cockatoo. Yeah, and his name is Coco.
Coco.
Hi Coco.
Hello, Coco.
You might say seen that frogs, tadpoles is just like that. So they are stuck in that phase only, but they can grow a little bit more. So a cool factor about axolotl, they can breathe through their skin and nose as well as lungs. But also they can regenerate all the parts of their body. So if anything happens to their any body part, they can regenerate. And it's not a testing head, 4 legs, tail, you can use gentle test.
Few more reptiles.
Unlike other reptiles, they give birth.
So why they called ball? So whenever they want to sleep, also since python are non-venomous, they use their body to kill the prey, like a weapon. Here, please do not tie any thread. Why? Completely you are stopping the blood flow. So as soon as you will open the thread, it will be overflow, more chances to spread throughout our body. So if you go hospital also, doctor will suggest to amputate your hand. Why? You are also in danger. Doctor also in going in a danger situation. So also people will, as soon as they will see snake bite, they will start to suck. Okay, do you guys know about Bombadi Bum Bum?
Bum Bum.
Yeah, we'll try one more time louder. Bombadi Bum Bum.
Bum Bum.
Sounds good. So here we have snake. Before starting a snake section, so if anyone getting snake bite, so what we want to do first thing? So like example, if I am getting snake bite, what I want to do? Block the blood flow. Any other guess? Cut, wash. Any other guess? You can just give me random answer.
Anti-one.
This is the valuable point. So please 5 feet long. African ball python, they can grow up to 5 to 6 feet. Also they're completely carnivorous. That means once for rodent, birds are the main diet for them. They can also live up to 15 to 20 years in captivity, even more than that. You can test them how. Please make a flat area. Please do not approach from upside. Why? All the predator will catch them from upside. Okay.
I think it will be like
You can give me the random number. So they can live up to 80 to 150 years. 70, 50. There is a number. Can I get last number?
20.
All are closer is around 14 to 15 years. I hope you guys